World Cup winning former Indian all-rounder Yuvraj Singh has decided to come out of retirement in February next year on public demand. He decides on getting back more than 2 years after he called it quits. In a late-night post on Instagram on Monday, 39-year-old Yuvraj posted a clip of his final century for India when he smashed 150 against England in Cuttack in January 2017 and posted a message about his possible comeback. It remains unclear whether he will be returning to be in contention for a place in Indian team or in T20 leagues. The player of the tournament at the 2011 World Cup, the swashbuckling all-rounder had announced his retirement from all forms of cricket in June 2019.